Did you know your head is full of hidden air pockets? But they can make your face hurt, your nose stuffy, and even ruin your day. Stick around, because in the next few minutes, we're breaking down everything you need to know about sinus health. How to stop sinus pain fast, and simple tips you can do at home to breathe easier starting today. Your sinuses are air-filled spaces inside your head. They sit behind your forehead, nose, cheeks, and eyes. These spaces are lined with tiny hairs that help keep them clean. Sinusitis happens when your sinuses get swollen or infected. This usually occurs when those tiny hairs can't do their job, or when the sinus openings get blocked. Mucus gets trapped and causes pressure and pain. Common causes include colds, allergies, and a deviated septum. Extra bone growths, called nasal spurs, can also block sinuses. Even smoke or strong odors can irritate them. Symptoms can last a few weeks or sometimes return often. Doctors may treat sinusitis with medicine. Surgery might be needed if it keeps coming back. At home, follow your doctor's instructions carefully. Ask questions if something is unclear. A saline nose rinse can help clear mucus. Drink plenty of water, about 6 to 8 glasses a day. Sleeping with your head slightly elevated helps sinus drainage. Breathing in warm steam can moisturize your sinuses. A warm compress on your face eases pain. Follow-up visits are important to track your progress. Your doctor may order allergy tests if needed. Lifestyle changes help too. Avoid caffeine and alcohol. Quit smoking and stay away from secondhand smoke. Medicine may be prescribed to relieve pain and swelling, fight infection, control coughing, dry up sinuses, and ease a runny or stuffy nose. You don't usually need to limit physical activity, but rest if you have a fever or headache. Potential problems include repeated infections, asthma flare-ups, coughing, or losing your voice. Prevent sinus issues by keeping your nose moist. Use saline sprays, washes, or a humidifier. Stay away from smoke, strong odors, and chlorine-heavy pools. Avoid diving and manage allergies with your doctor's help. Using an air conditioner can help allergy sufferers. Before flying, use medicine to dry mucus and reduce pressure pain. Call your doctor if you have a fever over 100.4 degrees Fahrenheit, it is 38 degrees Celsius, chills, or sudden trouble breathing. The teach-back method helps you understand your care. After talking with your doctor, explain what you learned in your own words. Make sure you can describe your condition, know how to ease breathing, know what to do if fever, chills, or trouble breathing occur. Learn more about sinus health at American Academy of Family Physicians at familydoctor.org and Centers for Disease Control and Prevention at cdc.gov. And that's everything you need to know to beat sinus pain, breathe easier, and stay healthy. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button and share it with your friends and family, because everyone deserves to feel better. Don't forget to subscribe for more simple, doctor-approved health tips. And hit that notification bell so you never miss a video. And I want to hear from you. Drop a comment below. Do you battle sinus problems often? And which tip worked best for you? Let's help each other out. Remember, Taking care of your sinuses today can save you a lot of pain tomorrow. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.